Hi everyone, welcome to the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. I can't wait to give you all a tour of this wonderful exhibit in Dallas, Texas. Hear the dinosaur roar like night at the museum. Roar! Welcome to the Lumar Hunt family sport hall.
Miss Davis, hold on, we got here.
I give disabled kids a new chance. You know what? Someone should have given me a chance with me being an autistic traveler. My buddy Jafar says, the universe is his to command, to control. I bet you Jafar really explored the universe over time. Oh, look at these dinosaurs come to life. Wait, are you filming?
Yes.
Oh, the dinosaurs are gonna come get me. Ah, don't come to life, dinosaurs. Ah. And if nobody thought that was a nightmare, this flying turtle's coming back from the prehistoric age to come kill me. Ah. What? For those who don't like Batman and Robin, it's actually one of my favorite Batman movies. So in honor of Batman and Robin, I'm going to quote one thing. What killed the dinosaurs? The Ice Age! Welcome to the Reese Jones Foundation Dynamic Earth Hall. The land of Texas. Water, a precious resource that exists today. And eventually there'll be water wars where we all will battle for water. Boo us for being greedy humans, and boo Trump even more for being even more greedy. Just what the world needs. Cloudy with a chance of rain. Interesting history lesson. The bare necessities of life will come to you. Will come to you. Roar, Baloo scaring me.